What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I am finally back and making videos again. It has been way too long, probably a couple months now. So if y'all are interested in the content, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. All right, so here is my web shooter. Basically, I modeled this off of Spider-Man: Homecoming, and I put so much time and effort into getting this about as one to one as you can possibly get to the movies. I added in the little notch there, and it kind of just the web cartridge kind of just slides in. I've got the lighter for the web cartridge, and I made sure to add in all of the little designs and whatnot. That way, it looks pretty close to the movies. Obviously, I can't get exact with it still being functional, but I think as far as looks go, this is about as close as you could possibly get to a functional web shooter that looks just like the movies. Now, if you want to get one of these web shooters for yourself, I've got that link down in the description. I've also got the link for the 3D files. If you want to print this out for yourself and build it, I've got the links for all of the supplies that you'll need in there. This basically I just got off of Amazon for the lighters, and then the wrist strap. You can use basically anything as long as it fits into this little groove. So I have this specific wrist strap linked in the description, and I ended up just sewing this down here, but you can use whatever fits your needs. um, I think that's about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and load this up and show you how it works. So for the lighter, I've got a mix of soap and water already filled in there. Basically, you'll rip everything off the top of it, and then I'll do that. And then it had like a little metal case around it as well. But you unscrew this and you fill this with a mixture of like about 60 to 40 or 60% soap, 40% water, probably less on the water. You probably have to do this a couple times just to figure out the exact percentage. And then you'll take butane, and I basically just got this off of Home Depot. Went to Home Depot and got it. There's also they sell it at Walmart, or you can buy it online. Either way, but once you've got the soap and water filled in there, you'll screw this back in, and then you'll kind of flip that into there. You see there's the bottom notch there, and you want to make sure that you can press down on it and it lifts that up. That opens the nozzle up. And to fill it up with butane, you'll press down on the lever, and then you'll put the nozzle of the butane onto the nozzle of the lighter. Make sure it's open, and then you'll press down on it. Make sure to give it a couple tries. You should hear it. There you go. Give it a little test spray to make sure you're good. There you go. And basically, you're going to shake it up. You'll know it worked if it's very liquidy in there. That's what you want. You want it to just flow just like that. You want it about as liquidy as possible for it to come out of that nozzle. The butane kind of thins it out. But once you've got all that, we can load our spring back in there. That's optional, it just makes it easier to come out. And then you'll inject it into there. You'll slide it on your wrist, and then you'll spray. There you go. All right, that's about it for this video. Like I said, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet from here on out. If you'd like to see my other web shooters, I've got this one that I've already made a video on. I'll keep that in the description. And I've also made this web shooter. I'm about to make the video on it. It'll be right here, the little title card. If it's not there, I'm currently making it, so just give me a little bit. But basically, um, this one's pretty simple. It's another generic one that I built from scratch, and basically it uses a spray bottle, and it's much safer. You can use it at whatever event because it's really just water. So if you want to see that, go ahead and check that out. I'll have another video for that coming out really soon. And as always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Take care.